Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our lesson with my student Samara. Today we're looking at similar lengths, area and volumes, 5th of the 11th of 2013. First of all, we're going to be looking at how length. We have length, I call it length original. You multiply that by a scale factor, that gives us our length enlarged. That's when you're looking at length. So your length has this linear relationship. Now when we look at area, so we have area of our original shape. This time we multiply it by the scale factor squared, and then that will give us our new enlarged area. Okay, now last but not least, if we'll start looking at volume, we have volume of our original shape. We multiply that by the scale factor cubed in order to give us our new enlarged volume. So we're going to be using these formulas today to do the questions. Right, here we go. Let's have a look at our questions. These are some of our questions that we're going to be looking at today, and let's pick one of them. Okay, so we have here 4, 6. Okay. So here we've been given the area is 4 centimeters squared. This bottom length is 3 centimeters. And here's our new enlarged shape. And we've been told that the area is A. But the bottom length is 6 centimeters. Okay. So in this first question here, we have an equation which involves an enlarged area. So I'm going to call my A, AE there. So this here is my area original. And that's my area enlarged. Now first of all, before we can use the area original, area enlarged formula, we need to know what the scale factor is. So we look at corresponding lengths to work out the scale factor. So this length here, length times by the scale factor, will give us the 6. So 3 times by a number will give us 6, and that number will give it, what that number will be? 2. So we can say quite clearly that the scale factor is equal to 2. Okay, so now we have to use our scale factor of 2 into this area formula here to work out the new area. So let's have a look at that. So here we go. Right. You have the area of the original times by the scale factor squared equals the area of the enlarged. The area of the original is equal to 4. Scale factor which is worked out was 2. So we do 4 times by 2 squared. So that will be 4 times by 4. And the new area is 16 centimeters squared. Thank you for joining us on this first question. Please join us again for some more questions to do with areas and volumes. That's the end of this first video. Thank you.